I'm holding the base model of the new iPhone 16 right now. This version has a significant upgrade. Its appearance has changed. To enable spatial video recording, the main and ultra-wide lenses are now vertically aligned. When you're shooting spatial video, you can see it records normally, right? The flash is now outside the camera module, so this is the new back cover design. What do you think of this back cover design? The one I'm holding is a cyan color. It can be considered cyan, but it has a frosted back cover. So the overall color is quite subtle. I personally think this color is quite attractive. It still has an aluminum alloy frame, all frosted. I must say, this phone feels very premium in hand. There are still two versions available, iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. One is 6.1 inches, the other is 6.7 inches. These sizes are the same as the previous generation, but the Pro model's screens are larger now, right? Pro is now 6.3 and 6.9, both 0.2 inches bigger, but it's still an OLED display and still a 60 Hz screen. What do you think of the base model's 60 Hz screen? Is it acceptable? Another upgrade for the regular iPhone 16 is the addition of the action button, previously only on Pro models, but now it's here too. You can quickly access various functions, including shortcuts, all with this button, or turn on the flashlight, enable Do Not Disturb mode, and more. There's also a new option button like the Pro. It's the camera button. This camera button is covered with sapphire. It can be pressed down, and it's touch sensitive. It has pressure sensitivity with linear haptic feedback. So this button has multiple control methods. You can touch and slide on it. You can press it lightly or press it firmly to click. Let me demonstrate its functions first from any screen, whether on the home page or in an app. Press this button once, it'll open the camera by default. Press again to take a photo. Long press and hold works too for video. Release to stop recording. If you touch it lightly, don't press it down, don't press mechanically. Light touch switches focal length, right? Two light taps change functions. Zoom, camera, stylus can all be switched here. Press again to select slide to adjust settings, double tap for different functions, press to take a picture. So this button is now a handy camera button. Of course, it's not just for photos. Apple InTune visual features will relate to this button. We'll try after the update. iPhone 16 has the A18 chip. Different from A18 Pro has the Pro suffix. This one still uses 3 nanometers process. It's a 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, one less core than Pro shows iPhone 16's new colors. This dark blue is blue, next is cayenne, a green cayenne feel pink, this is white, and a black white has returned. iPhone 15 didn't have white, it had yellow, white is back this time. You'll notice these new colors differ from previous low saturation, still has matte finish, but saturation is higher, blue, green, and pink. All more saturated now, clear, difference from last gen. What do you think? How's the color versus last gen? Personally, I think last gen's colors look better, but these are more distinct. Main camera is 48 MP ultra wide, still 16 MP, not 48 MP like the Pro. So its spatial video might be slightly lower quality. iPhone 16 and 16 Plus sizes, same as before. I personally think base iPhone 16 is better value, Plus costs $100 more, but features are the same, just a larger screen.